Hi guys, I just wanted to jump on just to say a few things. Firstly, I'd like to say a big massive thank you to all you for your continued support and helping our channel grow. Some of you will know that I'm really close to 600 subscribers. Never in a million years did I ever think that I would get this far. But I have set myself just a little goal, and that is by wax stock in July 2023, fingers crossed, I can reach the 1,000 subscriber mark. And in doing so, to celebrate the channel getting to 1,000 subscribers, I'll be giving away a few hoodies, t-shirts, my favorite detailing brands, products, accessories, etc. Just to give back and say massive thank you. But it will only be UK only. I'm very sorry. And lastly, guys, I just hope you all had a wonderful Christmas. And here's to a better new year. Let's hope that 2023 is a good year. So I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys for liking, sharing, subscribing, and even interacting with me in the comment section below. So thanks again and take care. So now we're actually going to get on with today's video. As you'll know, it's about System X's Renew 9-month plus ceramic coating spray. So this car had been on a 500-mile trip, and I used one of Auto Bright's shampoos just to clean the bonnet off. So here's just a few snips of the beading that's left on the bonnet. This was filmed in the rain. So we're just going to see the water behaviour within 1 month of application. So you'll see nice beads, really can't fault it. You can see it's still there. It's not the fastest of sheeters, but you can still see that it is protection on this bonnet. So like I said, this is month 1 of application. There will be follow-ups to this every month until this coating has died. So just a little recap, this coating was $44.99. Now I had this kindly sent to me by System X, which I greatly appreciate, and we're just going to put it through its paces. So guys, we'll have a little bit of a game. In the comments down below, let me know after seeing this 1 month recap how long you think this coating is going to last on this car. So guys, I'd like to say a big massive thank you for all you watching, commenting, subscribing and liking. Really does mean a lot. This is going to be the last one for me for 2022. Roll on 2023 for more regular, bigger uploads. And guys, have a good one. Stay safe. Take care.